Hello all. Yes, now we've got another video. Now, it's Anime at Abbotsford. Here's our little shop again. Walking through. Now, they're getting ready for Supanova at the moment. Looks a little bit like Donkey Kong out there. So, if you want to see what it looks like when we're getting ready for Supanova. Show them what you're doing. Yeah, there's Jason, better known as Tim Tam. There's Hanson. This is how you Donkey Kong Supanova. If only they had some barrels. So they've done these. They've got this to go. They're completed. Here's Mario Hammer. Now, to show you what we're actually going to take to Supanova. It'll be all this whole room. All this whole back room. So, what are we taking to Supanova? It'll be all of that. It'll be all of that. Unless it all sells out before we go. And yes, we've ordered $25,000 worth of more stuff to come. All of this. Yep, it's going. So yes, we'll be going to the Supanova. Hope you have a great time. We'll see you very soon. It's on the 22nd and the 23rd. There'll be the Friday night special one as well. And then, after that, we'll see you at Smash. So, this is us from Anime at Abbotsford. Wishing you a wonderful day. See you at Donkey Kong. See you at Supanova. See you at Supanova 2013. Have fun.